In Green Bay news, the future of health care in the United States was the topic of a meeting today between U.S. Senator Tammy Baldwin and those with pre-existing conditions. Chris Schuler was there and has more on the discussion aimed at preserving the Affordable Care Act.
U.S. Senator Tammy Baldwin says 2 million people in Wisconsin have pre-existing health conditions, like Grace BLAKESLEE, a diabetic whose medications are covered under her parents' health plan.
My supplies that I need to make sure that I can live. It's a necessity to me.
Friday, Baldwin came to the area to hear the concerns of her constituents over efforts by the Trump administration to repeal the Affordable Care Act.
Sharing their stories and communicating how detrimental it would be to them and their loved ones if we were to lose these protections.
In a court filing this week, the White House argued the ACA should be overturned, taking with it guaranteed protections for those with pre-existing conditions like this cancer survivor frightened by that prospect.
What the insurance companies have spent on us in the last 4 years just for my care is over $500,000.
The idea that he would ask the Attorney General to go into court and argue a case that would result in 20 million people losing access to health care, it defies my imagination.
Senate Democrats have introduced a resolution calling for the president to reverse his position.
It essentially directs the president to get on the other side of this case and defend America's health care laws.
But Baldwin says the public needs to get involved to save this law that's helped so many people.
We got to keep on fighting. I think that's the bell that I'm trying to ring as I host these roundtables across the state.
Reporting in Green Bay, Chris Schuler, Local 5 News.